have here?
Michelle?
What are you guys doing today?
Skydiving,
Jumping out of a perfectly good airplane.
Yes.
Why did you want to do that?
I don't know, because we're crazy, baby.
You gotta be a little bit crazy to do this, right?
Yes.
Are you excited? Nervous?
I'm excited,
Yeah?
yes. Nervous.
A little bit nervous?
Yes.
Yeah? You'll love it. We'll take you up 10,000 feet, throw you out, get you down on a parachute. You ready?
All right, okay.
Let's do it.
You.
Here we go, guys. You ready for this? Let's get in this thing, get up, and get out of an airplane. High five. High five. Here we go. Woo, woo. Just kidding. Woo! You did it! Around the ground. Alright, you just jumped out of an airplane. How you feel?
I feel so much better now. I don't feel nervous anymore.
Good. Heck
Yeah.
yeah. What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was when we're like just jumped right there, because I feel like all my heart went out to my brain. It feels like, ah!
Yeah. Would you do it again?
Oh, heck yeah.
Heck
I'll do
yeah.
it again.
Thanks for jumping with us.
Thank you.
Woo!